Known as a rival character in the Pokémon Generation 1 games Fire Red and Leaf Green, Green Oak is a Pokémon trainer from the Kanto region who is very ambitious and intelligent. He also has a tendency to come across as cocky as well as arrogant, but don't worry my fellow viewers, he does grow a heart in Heart Gold and Soul Silver. Today's video is brought to you by the request of a viewer, so we'll be drawing Green Oak based off the Fire Red and Leaf Green video game remakes. So grab some paper, a pencil, black pen or a fine liner and let's get started. To begin our drawing, we're going to draw in the head first. This will be done by drawing in a circle and then adding in the ear and the chin. Once that's done, we're then going to draw in the neck and the beginning of his upper and lower body. So for now, we're going to start with Green's head. So within the circle, create some guidelines. So 3/4 of the way down, draw in the nose first, as that's kind of the starting point, then draw in his eyes. Just below the circle, draw in his mouth on a slight angle. So following this step, draw in his eyebrows. So they start off quite thin and then they go a little thicker and then thin at the ends. At the top of the circle, create a slight marking. This is where the hair parting starts. This will also help you draw out the rest of his fringe. Now we have his fringe sorted, we are going to draw the rest of his hair in. So I've broken this into parts so it's not going to be too complicated to follow. So when drawing in the hair, it starts off with just a straight line and then from the point, curve it around slightly so it then starts looking like hair. When you are happy with the hair in the face, rub out all of the unwanted guidelines. Moving our way down, we are going to begin with his shirt. So from the top of his shoulders, draw in a V shape just halfway down. Then from the back of his head, draw in his collar. So we just need to track back again to his ears and add in some of the detailing. Then draw in his singlet where the collar ends, along with some details in the neck and the chest. To finish the chest area off, we are going to draw in his necklace, then move on to his left shoulder. From the end of the shoulder, draw in the sleeve and remove the guidelines for the body. Now go and add in some sleeve creases. From the base of the sleeve, draw in 2 lines creating a 130-degree angle. This is the start of the arm. Then draw in 2 long ovals, ensuring that they are connected to form the left arm. Now rub out the left arm guidelines and draw in the right sleeve. From the base of the right sleeve, draw in 2 connecting lines at a 120-degree angle. Then draw in the following lines to form in the right arm. Don't forget to have the line slightly curved so it looks more natural. After drawing in the right arm, draw in his wristband, following with the guideline from the middle of the same wristband. Then draw in the base of his right hand and the beginning shape for the Pokeball. Using the Pokeball for guidance, you are now going to draw in the fingers. When the fingers are complete, fill in the details of the Pokeball. From his right hip, we are now going to draw in his man bag. So make sure it reaches his wristband when drawing it in. Use his hip line to help you draw in the bag. Rub out any guidelines and add in the zip details. After you've completed the bag, draw in the bag's belt along with his jeans. You need to add a pocket on the left side so it looks as if his hand is just chilling in his pocket. Then add in extra detailing for the jeans. When you feel like your drawing is complete and you're happy with the results, outline it with a black pen or a fine liner. You can use different pens just to create different thicknesses just to add more depth. Now for my favourite part of the drawing, which is colouring it in. You can literally use anything you like. You can use coloured pencils, alcohol markers, or paint. That is completely up to you.